In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Instagram account from Facebook. We all have our reasons for wanting to cut ties with social media platforms, whether it's for a digital detox or simply to regain a sense of privacy. Whatever your motivation, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to Instagram. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the More option. You'll find this in the menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu with various options for you to explore. From this drop-down menu, look for the Settings option and click on it. This is where you can control various aspects of your Instagram account, including privacy, security, and account settings. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area as it holds many of the controls for your account management. Next, within the settings, you will need to locate the Account Center. This is essentially the hub where you can manage all your connected accounts across Instagram and Facebook. By clicking on Account Center, you'll be able to see all the profiles linked to your Instagram account. Once you're in the Account Center, the next step is to click on Profiles. This section will display all the profiles currently associated with your Instagram account. It's crucial to ensure that you are selecting the correct profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Take a moment to double check that you're about to delete the right one. At this point, you should be able to see the option to remove your Instagram account from Facebook. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the process. Typically, this will involve confirming your decision, and you may be asked to provide your password again for security reasons. Take your time to ensure that everything is correct before proceeding, as this process cannot be undone easily. And there you have it. You've successfully removed your Instagram account from Facebook. Remember, this action is not reversible, so make sure it's what you really want to do. If you ever change your mind, you can always create a new account or reconnect an existing one. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Have a great day and see you in the next video.